Like a PM role in 2030, the Great Automation Split. So what we cover is the Gartner just dropped this now in April, very recent. 28% of AI projects fail, or don't deliver the ROI. So 1 in 5 fail outright. 57% of managers at least one AI failure. So the money is flooding in, but there's no results essentially. So what are the top 3 reasons for it? According to the report, all backed up on data. 38% unrealistic expectations, 30% skill gaps, and 30% poor quality. All 3 projects management problems. So by 2030, about 80% of our work will be done by AI in many ways. Not that it's going to replace you, but your role in projects will change. So that needs to be an area of growth for us project managers, technical managers, program managers, and what we should do. So essentially, the noise is, the status reports take over, scheduling follow-ups, risk impact scoring, document drafting, all of this will be taken over. So AI takes over these aspects for our jobs, and we focus on the actions through tools. So you can see Notion, custom agents is a great area I use myself. There's a Wrike AI predictive scoring tool with Smartsheet, now a plugin from Claude. You can use in Excel, you can use Claude Code. If you're not familiar with Claude Code, you should learn it. I have more videos coming up on that. And the ClickUp also has super agents inside. So what will used to be infrastructures that were basically infrastructures that we had to manually go and control things as project managers, they're getting more and more automated and more able with AI models and large language models behind them, understand the context of it, and then doing the jobs automatically for us. Now, what is our value proposition as project manager? What is it going to look like? Well, we're going to have to stay business outcome, because our job now translates information into what the business wants, rather than essentially doing all the job. You prioritize AI use cases so you can see the ideas, what AI use cases actually work, what are the risks on them, and get yourself familiar with more and more of the AI best practices, more projects would work. Essentially, I think one of the key things is the AI being ready for it. What project does AI now solves in a way successfully enough for you to go through it? And the governance accountability, so you can see you'll be spending more time really managing projects, but accountability of it, the governance, how is it going, how is it working, what are the outcomes for it. And one of the biggest hurdles I see from clients in whatever projects with delivery of AI included is really the adoption and the overall. This will be very well monitored, very well showcased to people what the benefits are from AI, which is still very unclear to a lot of people. So the PM role is splitting. We have the task controller that we are today. We schedule meetings, we change, read blogs, we update into more of orchestrator. So we focus on business, we focus on priorities, we orchestrate stakeholders, and the governs AI compliance and leads change. So we become indispensable in a way as orchestrators, not so much as task completing per people, let's say. The real world proof in some of the projects, according to Gartner, some projects that actually worked. So it's no collaboration between AI and PMs. So PMs burn most capacity in information maintenance. Very true. On my day-to-day, most of the time just reading information and in detail to compile multiple sources, multiple pieces of information from different places to be into. And the market is already giving a much more better pay for us AI project managers ready, let's say. So imagine the future, what it's going to be like. So it's not a nice to have, it's a career multiplier. How do you start this? How do you get there? Audit your week, find tasks you can automate. I myself have summarization of meetings, summarization of weekly meetings in terms of the entire meetings for the week. Have Notion, for example, agents summarize for you and get all the action points that you have. Revert those against the scope of work of a project documentation and bring up risks and analysis based on that. Check the efforts from the teams and the board automatically versus what is deadlines for the project. All of that gets automatically calculated and give you the right insights for you to make that decision. That's what I'll be covering in my AI delivery lab. The link in the description. Have a look, join us if you want to start getting ready for the future of delivery of AI delivery in project management overall in software delivery.